The best Raiz Invest risk-level portfolio depends on how effectively each option aligns with long-term performance, market exposure, and the investor's tolerance for volatility. Raiz structures its portfolios from conservative to aggressive, each designed around a different blend of bonds, property, and equities. To determine the strongest option overall, we look at consistency, diversification depth, and potential growth capacity across market cycles. Raiz aggressive and high-growth portfolios generally deliver the highest long-term return potential because they allocate a larger percentage of funds into global and domestic equities. These portfolios benefit from market expansion, corporate growth, and compounding over time. Although they experience sharper short-term fluctuations, their structure rewards patience. For investors focused on wealth building rather than short-term stability, the aggressive portfolio often stands out as the most effective choice. The moderate portfolio sits at the center, balancing equities and bonds in a way that reduces volatility without sacrificing growth. It's suitable for people who want forward progress but prefer a smoother ride during market downturns. This portfolio can outperform conservative options while still maintaining a stable structure. Raiz's conservative portfolio prioritizes capital preservation with heavier exposure to bonds and defensive assets. While it produces steadier performance, returns grow slower compared to other levels. It works best for individuals who value minimal risk or need short-term accessibility. Across all tiers, the aggressive portfolio consistently demonstrates the strongest long-term potential because it leverages broad global diversification and higher exposure to growth sectors. It is designed for investors with a long-time horizon who can tolerate movement in the market while pursuing higher returns. For most long-term users seeking growth, the aggressive portfolio remains the standout option among Raiz Invest's risk-level selections.